Beyond conditioning air control. Introducing Sharp AIoT air conditioner with plasma cluster technology. Plasma cluster ion technology keeps the air clean by suppressing the activities of viruses, bacteria, and airborne molds. And plasma cluster ions also can clean the inside of air conditioner. You can enjoy clean and fresh air. Sharp AIoT air conditioner, intelligent to learn your lifestyle and gives comfortable environment for you. And now simplify your life by controlling the air conditioner through your smartphone. Sharp J-Tech inverter can save energy up to 65%. The heat exchanger is 50% larger and it has a massive 260mm air intake. It is the longest panel ever at 140mm for amazing airflow and allows for more cooling power and efficiency. It cools room temperature by 5 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes. Protected by 7 shields for long-term reliability. Sharp AIoT air conditioner. Beyond conditioning air control. Only from Sharp.